Time for Medical Round. So this week is National Patient Experience Week. Countless, and we're celebrating the countless number of healthcare staff who help make patient interactions as positive as they can be. This year was challenging, to say the least. Here to talk about the ways patient experience impacts overall wellness is Laura Bailey. She's Regional Vice President of Patient Care Services at the Hartford Region of Hartford Healthcare. Thank you so much for joining us, Ms. Bailey. Glad that you're here.
Oh,
so tell me,
thank you, Wendell, so much for having us.
You're welcome. When does the patient experience start?
I would say that the patient experience really starts with our relationship with our community, which, as you know, begins well before somebody might require care in one of our acute care hospitals. You know, every positive interaction that we have with a patient, builds trust. So beyond access to care, I would say it starts with every one of our team members being committed to providing the best possible experience.
So talk to us about COVID and patient experience and how Hartford Healthcare had to adjust and adapt to the interests of patients in the middle of a pandemic.
Yeah, that was certainly challenging. We were very fortunate, though, to be able to leverage the many strengths within our system to quickly respond to the pandemic. We were able to set up testing sites across the state, then vaccine clinics. We used telehealth strategies so that patients can still get the care that they needed. I think probably one of the most difficult things we had to navigate was changing our visitor policies and how we can continue to connect our patients with their family. Because as you know, the family is an integral part of that patient's care. And because they weren't always able to be with their loved ones, we had to find different ways to keep that connection. We also leveraged technology like using iPads and FaceTime, and really keeping open lines of communication with our patients and families was a top priority.
Yeah, that connection for patient and family is important. Before we go, what are your goals next?
We really want our patients to trust Hartford Healthcare and to be engaged as partners in their care. Our goals include engaging patients in a way that set them up for optimal outcomes, really elevating their voice and demonstrating to them that every moment that they're with us matters. And patients should know wherever they are in the continuum of care that they can count on us to bring the best possible care directly to them.
Laura Bailey, Regional Vice President of Patient Care Services of Hartford Region, Hartford Healthcare. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.